Hi everyone, Jason with Happy Tales, and I have a question for you. Now, when it comes to your RV bathroom, what is the one thing that drives you crazy? Well, for us, it is the shower. Now, the reason the shower drove us crazy is, well, we would take showers and we're like, we just don't have that much pressure. Everywhere else we have plenty of pressure, not the shower. Got looking, and that shower head that came stock with this beacon was 2.8 gallons per minute, which is a lot of water consumption. So what we did is we did the same thing that we did in this video up here on things to upgrade. We upgraded to an Oxygenic shower head. Now, you'll see in that video that I've just linked that we're talking about a waterfall shower head, and this one is obviously a wand shower head. But this guy is a 1.8 gallon per minute. So we cut our consumption down by about 40%, which is huge, especially in an RV. So, great thing about it is we have more pressure now, less water consumption, and, well, the great tank isn't filling up nearly as fast. So, if you want to try one out, check it out down in our description, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.